Hello and welcome back. In this how-to short for realistic customizable roads, we will be looking at performance. There's a few things we can do to increase performance if you are noticing it's framey. First thing to do, if you're in 5, is come up to Edit, open Project Settings, then on the left-hand menu, scroll down to Rendering. Then in the Rendering menu, we're going to go down to Shadows and the Shadow Map method. If it's set to Virtual Shadow Maps beta, it's in beta as of right now, and right now we've just had 5.2 release. To better our performance, let's change this to Shadow Maps. That ought to give you a dramatic improvement right there. And then there's more we can do still. If you look at the spline meshes that have streetlights along them, such as this one, we can reduce the amount of streetlights by changing the spacing. So with the spline mesh selected, I will come to prop actors right. Right now it's at 5003. Let's change that to 7000. That reduces the number of them as the spacing is greater. Now let's come down to prop actors left. We'll go to prop actors BP spacing left, and we will also adjust that to 7000. That should also increase performance. Further, if you would like to change the lights that are on these street lights, under the prop actors right, you can come to prop actor class reference, and you'll see the street light that is referenced. We'll use the browse asset button to go straight to it. There it is. We'll open that up. Now go to viewport to see what I'm working with. And right there's our spotlight. We can select it here. We can also select it in the viewport. With the spotlight, we can adjust a few things. We can change the outer cone angle, bring that down. And you can see, as we're adjusting in this window, it's having an effect out here. We can bring the attenuation down. We can even change the light if you don't want a spotlight, you want to try something else. You can, over here in components, you can click add and then type in light, and here's your lights. You could try bringing a point light in. That's now added a point light in. We could even delete the spotlight. And there we go. Now we have this point light. And what we'd want to do is just adjust it to be in the correct position for the street light. That's it for performance tips on this one. Thanks for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date on any of my products and any new features. Thank you. Have a good one.